Alright, I'm good. Go. Go grips.
These are Colt Faith grips with regular black bar ends. We have stock fit bars, don't know the name. Stock fit stem, goldish. The forks, you're like I'm guessing fit shivs that they just put on them, but like really heavy, like for stock. Stock gold metal hub. Revenge Industries rim that's stock on the bike. Fit bikes 2.25 in the front tire. To the frame, it's mid-bottom bracket integrated headset. Fit frame stock. We have Animal Stephen Hamilton pedals, Eastern cranks, stock bottom bracket, white stolen 25 tooth sprocket. Let's see, stock pegs front and back. Let's see, same hub for the back, stock gold metal, regular KMC white chain, 2.1 fit bike coat tire in the back.
Hub sound?
Yeah.
Get this. Pretty quiet.
And the seat is a white. Someone made it really dirty fucking E-clat. Odyssey seat clamp. And
that's it, right?
That's it, yeah. This is my boy Frankie's bike.
He was scared to do the check.
Yeah, so here it is. It's decently light. It's really good. You should get it. If you have any questions, you should ask.